Hey, this is Jim coming at you live for another segment of the Expert.Online. Thanks for joining me, folks. Today we're going to talk about some crazy stuff that's happening, and it has been happening for a long time. It's called squatters' rights. Can you believe it? Now, some states are finally implementing changes in this crazy rule and law, and I'd really like to know who that person or persons was that actually enforces this law of squatters' rights. So, those of you that are tuning in and don't know what squatters' rights are, well, basically, what it is, it boils down to somebody being able to break into your house and start living there for free. Now, as a seller, you cannot physically call the police and have them removed from the property for trespassing. I mean, this is crazy. What kind of idiot decides on making it okay for a family or person to break into your vacant property and start living there like it's your own? It's nuts. I had a bad experience myself. I was managing a property down in Atlanta, Georgia some years ago, and this family, they knew the system. They broke into the property, started living there. Then they called the county because they saw my business card there. And they called the county and said that I was not keeping the utilities functional for their well-being. The county calls me into court, and I'm in front of the judge, and the judge is threatening to put me in jail if I don't make the utilities workable. And I was just appalled. I said, you got to be kidding me. And I asked the judge, are these family members of yours? I mean, why would you enforce me to try to let them live there for free? Well, the judge, Judge Jackson, I hope the dude is long gone by now. He is a bad egg in this justice system. So he said, you need to make it right now or I'm going to put you in jail. Are you kidding me? So I'm going to get punished for somebody else's wrongdoing. It's just wrong, folks. So here's the crazy thing. So if somebody breaks into your house and steals something out of it, you have the legal right to call the police, press charges, and possibly get him put in jail. But currently with the laws, if a family or a person decides to break into your house and just start living there, it's okay. It's okay to do, and it's perfectly legal and fine. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, from my experience in real estate, anybody pulls that stunt on me, I am going old school on you, and I assure you, you'll be yanked from that property. And I'm just going to give you a heads up right now. Pull that stunt on me, and it's game on, baby. So I hope the justice system does the right thing, gets this corrected immediately. This is crazy. It's wrong. It's unethical. And I don't know what else more to say about it. But whoever passed that law, you are a complete idiot. Complete idiot. So anyway, folks, be careful out there. If you have a vacant property that you need to sell and you don't want to get caught up in having squatter in your property because it can be a nightmare, give me a call. Check it out down below. Love to buy your property, give you some great options and great prices on your property, and rid you from all the headaches and concerns about your vacant property and start generating some income for that vacant property. That's it for now, folks. Please chime in down below, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for joining me. Make it a great day. Bye for now.